This is Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for March 28th, 2018. Corn market steady to down a half cent today. Soybeans down 1.5 to 4. November beans down the most at 4 lower. Chicago wheat, Kansas City wheat, Minneapolis wheat all down basically 2 to 4.25. Weaker in that environment. Those came off the lows to some degree, especially in Minneapolis wheat. But right now, it's all about the USDA crop report here. Tomorrow at 11 o'clock, we'll get USDA's prospective planting forecast along with the stocks number. The last couple days, we've been kind of quoting off of what the average trade guesses are. And now we'd like to talk just very briefly about what our expectations are. From the corn vantage point, with USDA cutting exports, I think we've really got a solid demand base under this corn market. So I would not be surprised if that stocks market comes at or maybe slightly below expectations, and that could be a little bit friendly. And we also think this planting number could creep down to about this 88.5 to 89.5 million acre planted. Maybe USDA doesn't get the full bolt right away, but we'll see where they want to go. But I anticipate a little bit weaker, planting number, which should be supportive to prices. So we're looking at corn to possibly recover out of here and try to trade back to those highs. The bean market, on the other hand, is at the mercy of both the stocks and planting number. We're expecting a bit of a weaker tone, as is the market, but acres up to that 91.5 million acre total, and may even get bigger with this cold and wet weather we're looking to endure here the next 2 to 3 weeks. But the stocks number as well, I would not be surprised at, with the slow inspection pace that we've been shipping beans at, that we see the stocks number maybe a little above expectations as well. But like any report, when it comes to these USDA estimates, they're tough to forecast and anything can happen. The wheat market, I think this could be a little bit negative. I do expect that wheat acres are higher, but I'm a little bit concerned of this cool, wet weather for spring wheat country, that we may find ourselves a bottom here in the near term and then begin to retrace out of here and rally coming out of the Easter holiday. So a lot to watch. Those are the best guesses we've got coming in, and that's what they are, as guesses. But we like the framework around these markets right now. A bend but don't break attitude, but realize when you get these good pricing opportunities, having some balance to marketing is extremely important. Feeder cattle day up 2 to 250, live cattle up 30 in the nearby, up 70 deferred, and the hog market up 180 to 260, except for the April contract, which we were down 82.5 there. Cattle, hogs reversed today. It was exciting to see. We'll see if cutouts can follow, and we'll also see exports tomorrow. We need a very good export number to keep the momentum going. This has been Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great day and be ready for 11 o'clock tomorrow.